The Brother DCPL2550DW is a compact monochrome laser all-in-one printer designed for home and small office environments. It offers reliable printing, scanning, and copying capabilities, making it an efficient solution for everyday document handling. Fast printing and copying. With print and copy speeds of up to 36 pages per minute, the DCPL2550DW ensures quick document processing, enhancing productivity in busy settings. Automatic document feeder. Equipped with a 50-sheet ADF, this printer facilitates multi-page scanning and copying, streamlining workflows, and reducing manual intervention. Wireless and wired connectivity. The DCPL2550DW supports both wireless and wired connections, including Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB interfaces, allowing flexible printing options from various devices. Automatic duplex printing. This model features automatic duplex two-sided printing, helping save paper and reduce printing costs, which is ideal for high-volume printing tasks. Refresh subscription trial. Brother includes a 4-month free trial of the Refresh subscription service, offering automatic toner replenishment and potential savings on toner purchases. Compact design. Its compact footprint allows the DCPL2550DW to fit comfortably in small spaces, making it suitable for home offices or areas with limited room. In summary, the Brother DCPL2550DW combines speed, efficiency, and versatility in a compact design, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a reliable monochrome laser all-in-one printer.